Hello viewers and subscribers. So today I plan to do a presentation of this 12 sound effects machine that I have. This is the box that it came in. The story behind this is that I've already had this in my house for almost 3 years. I do recall that this was actually my brother's 2019 Christmas gift, and this has been sitting in my room for a while, and I have never put any moderate usage to this good. And in this video I will click through all the 12 different buttons to show you what each sound is. And it's possible that maybe even for some of these buttons that I may come up with something to say that would represent those sound effects. For the ones where I know of what to come up with, and if there's any buttons where I just can't figure something out to come up with to say to relate to that sound effect, then I might just skip saying anything about that particular button or whatever. Okay, button number 1. I worked so hard and I got myself a really big paycheck. This one. This one I might just think of a coach making an announcement through those whatever horns to get all the students' attentions in like PE or something. Maybe not, but okay, this one. Woohoo! You put on a fantastic show. This button. The astronauts just landed on the moon. Okay, this button. I don't know what to say about this one. Oh, a marching band or something. Sounds like a marching band alert. This thing looks like broken glass. Dang it, I just dropped that glass cup on the floor in the kitchen. Now I gotta be careful with all the shatters and I won't cut myself. Dang it. Okay, this button. I don't know what to say about that one. Maybe that button, a bully, or just a guy laughing at his funny video that he's watching. This one. Wartime. And cops doing their job to protect themselves and others against the criminal. It's too dark in my room right now. I'm trying to scare all the insects away on the floors. Well, this thing looks like a light bulb to me. All that sound just made me think of an emergency vehicle. Get your engines ready. About to race. Racing time. I hope you viewers and subscribers enjoyed this 12 sound effects machine video. Enjoy, thank you.